Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. In today's video we're learning how to do the Mad Max thin line paracord bracelet. So this is the original thin line design by JD Lenzen of Tying It All Together. Converted it to the Mad Max closure and yeah, came out pretty nice. Love this color too, especially this one. And it turned out really sweet. Nice simple little project for those of you who want to do the thin line design done Mad Max style. So I hope you guys will like this tutorial. Remember, if you're looking for where to get paracord and all the stuff I use in the video, feel free to check out those affiliate links down below. And as always, a huge thank you to my Patreon supporters. If you want access to exclusive tutorials and the monthly giveaway, feel free to check out the links to that in the video as well as down below. So that being said, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so for this bracelet, I'm using two sets of cord. So for this bracelet, I'm using two cords. Shorter one for the core, longer one for the main weave. So we're going to start with your shorter one, just bend it over like so in half and start from the midpoint, and the same for the longer one. So you're going to take your first cord, you're going to take your main weaving cord and put it behind one strand of your core cord like so. It's hard to say core cord. Anyways, and then you're going to take the strand on the right and you're going to tie a cobra knot over that single strand. Okay. Like so. You're going to close it up. Then next you're going to take that second cord, and from there now you're going to tie a cobra knot over both of those. Except, oh sorry, keep this in front, like so. Okay, so cord in front. Now tie that cobra knot over both. So left over both cords, and the other cord out the other side. And then close this up. Then adjust it a little before you pull it down tight. Okay, and there we go. So this one's going to need a little bit of adjusting to keep that thin line down the center. All right, so now we've tied that. You're going to go back to where you started. You're going to tie single cobra under the single cord on the back there. Okay, over top, underneath, and through. Okay, close that up. And then now back to where we started. So again, make sure you're using the same lead cord. Put that over both cords, right over top, and out the other side. And every time you do this, this knot here where it's the double cords, both cords, you need to adjust it. You kind of want to stack them on top of each other. Okay. And ideally you want to try to position it in the middle. So this one will be a little bit more finicky. Just pay attention to what you're doing. Okay. So we've tied two knots. That's basically the pattern. So now we're going to go back to just a single cord underneath. And again, pull that tight. This one you don't have to worry too much about it being in the center. And then now bring that back down and over. Okay. So not too difficult on this one, but just takes a bit of detail work. You want to keep that thin line right down the center. But this is pretty thin anyway, so it's not too hard to see. All right, so anyways, yeah, continue tying this down your core. And then when we get to the end, we will make the Mad Max closure that we all know and love. Okay, so do that and we'll be right back. All right, so I've woven the entire length of my bracelet. Got enough to go around my wrist. Now I'm going to take my fid and I'm going to take these core cords and put them through the very top here. Now, my cord is a little short for tying the diamond knot, but don't worry, I'll adjust the the measurements in the beginning of the video will be correct so that you have enough to tie without difficulty. Okay, so I got 1 through. Let's do the second one. Alright, so we've got both through. And now from here, we can tie the diamond knot. Also, I'm going to snip and singe off these cords on the side. Alright, and there we have it. We are finished. Got that excess paracord snipped off. Got a little overzealous with my lighter there and melted that a bit. But anyhow, that is the thin line Mad Max style, the original design by JD Lenzen. So hope you guys like this one. And if you guys did like this video, feel free to hit that like button. It does help me out a lot. And also, if you want to see more content like this and you're not subscribed, feel free to subscribe. And make sure you turn on notifications because, yeah, YouTube's really messed up right now. And you probably won't see my video unless you turn on notifications. All right, that being said, I will see you guys on the next video.